So here's how to change the language on the interface of FC24 mobile. Tap on settings, the top right corner, and on this left hand side of the settings page, tap on language. And then as you can see, you have different languages here. I already have English as my language. Let's say I want French. All I have to do is tap on French, and then it's going to tell me the language will be changed and the game will proceed to the main menu. So tap on continue, and just wait. And it's going to automatically take you back to the main screen. And as you can see, everything is now in French. Okay, let's tap on the main menu and you can see everything is in my new language. And that's basically how to do that. That's how to change the language on FC24 mobile. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.